Welcome everyone to the channel. Today I want to review ChatGPT's Canvas feature. Have you ever wished ChatGPT worked more like a Google Doc where you could actually edit, highlight, and collaborate in real time? Well, that's exactly what the Canvas mode is. In this video, I'll walk through what ChatGPT Canvas is and how to use it step by step. So first, what is Canvas? Canvas is a built-in workspace inside ChatGPT designed for writing and coding projects that need editing and revision. So instead of just chatting back and forth, asking for changes, you get to be a side-by-side editor with ChatGPT and you can work together. So you can use Canvas when you're writing documents, editing emails or scripts, working on code, or just want to collaborate with AI. So in the Canvas mode, you get the ability to edit text directly, highlight sections. You can also get inline suggestions and improve your work faster. So how do I get to Canvas mode in ChatGPT? So option number one, if you ask ChatGPT to write a long article or generate code or create detailed content, it will often open Canvas mode automatically. So write a 3-page article on old piece. So we'll let it generate this article and we'll see if it automatically opens in Canvas mode. If it doesn't, there are multiple ways to ask it to open in Canvas mode as well. Okay, looks like it finished generating the article and it didn't actually make it open in Canvas mode. So we can trigger Canvas mode a few different ways. Use Canvas, open in Canvas, or something like that. So use Canvas. And now you can see you get this little edit button here. So if we hit edit, you're now in Canvas mode. This allows you to manually edit the document or work with AI to make it better. So you can say, please rewrite for clarity. And then you can collaborate directly on the article. So there are some other ways to trigger Canvas as well. So you can also just go /Canvas before you get started and write a birthday wish for my best friend. So this will automatically generate in Canvas mode already. So I would recommend, if you know you're going to be editing in Canvas mode, just do the /Canvas and start that way. Otherwise, you can just ask it manually. So here I can hit edit and let's dive into Canvas directly. So you know what, happy birthday to my best friend. Let's replace best friend with John. So it'll edit that. So you can see it updated this here. If you're not sure what was updated, you can also come up here to see, hey, show changes. So it's happy birthday to my best friend, happy birthday, John, and thank you for being you, thank you for being John, instead of thank you for being you, thank you for being my best friend. So we can hide the changes. And I personally don't like this. I would just say keep being who you were made to be. Let's add in cheers. Oops, I don't know what happened there. Let's go. So, happy birthday. We'll put cheers after that. Okay, so you also get a few writing tools here. So you can add emojis. Let's say we want to add some emojis. You can add emojis after words. You can add lists or different sections. So we'll add some at the different sections here, and it'll add emojis basically after every paragraph. So kind of see the emojis they put there. Okay, great. We like that. We'll keep that. There's also the ability to adjust the length. So right here, you can adjust the length of the wish or whatever you're working on. So if you want it a bit shorter, a bit longer, you also have the ability to adjust the reading level. So this adjusts the reading level from kindergarten to graduate school. So depending on what you're working with, you may want to adjust the reading level comprehension. And you can also come in here and add a final polish, which just checks for grammar, clarity, and consistency across your document. Okay, and if you like the way your document is, let's just remove these emojis here. You can also add little, say, please make this more warm. So you can edit a specific text within the document you're working on. And if you can come up here, you can say, hey, you know, I actually like the previous version better. And so you can roll that back if you wish. So you can roll that back. You can also come up here, and if you're satisfied with your document, you can download it. So you can download as a PDF or Word doc. So if you download as a PDF, I've noticed that if you're on the ChatGPT free version, generally creating the document may take 10 to 15 seconds. You kind of wonder if it did anything, but it will eventually generate it and it'll download just like that. So here we go. And you can also copy. So if you want to copy the content that you were working on and paste it in a different document, you can do that, as well as share. So if you wanted to just create a link and share that on social media with a friend, you can also share it that way. Okay. Hopefully this was helpful. That is how you start working with Canvas mode. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the section below, and consider subscribing for more ways to use ChatGPT like a pro.